I picked this up at the local thrift store, and my plan was, note the was, to disassemble it, take a look at how it's built, reassemble it, and then actually start using it. Might as well try to get healthy. Looked promising. Came with instructions, nice box, little thingy. Looks like all the parts are there. But there's a bit of an issue. This thing is stuck closed. It's not going to turn. So what I'm going to try to do is lubricate this to maybe hopefully it'll open up. If that doesn't work, I'll just take out the screws and go after the innards. That could be an indication that the battery's rotted, which may not be too good. So, when in doubt, go after the WD-40. This is not a commercial either. And the bottle's got no pressure left in it. But I might be able to get enough in there. Yeah, that didn't look too promising. Well, I'm just going to let it sit for a while and then see if it'll come apart. So after a bit of time, starting to actually look like it wants to open. Oops. Whack the camera. Okay. Must have just been stuck. But it's come apart now. I need to clean up this mess. So I'm just going to pop out the battery now. And I'll see if it's any good. It shouldn't be since the thing wouldn't turn on. Okay. As expected, battery's totally dead. So I need to see if I've got one of these around here somewhere. So this is a CR20 by 32. The closest thing I have is 20 by 25. So at least I'll be able to find out if the thing works. And if it does work, that means I'll actually get the proper battery for it. Let's see. Oops. Get that like that. Just hold it in place. What I'll do is put this back on and see if it'll hold it in place. Reading the instructions apparently helps. Okay, so yeah, push units plus imperial. So I've got the button at the back here. Select gender. Okay. Set height. Okay, 5 foot. I'll take that. Weight. I'm not telling you. I'll take this one though. Set. Stride. Haven't got a clue. Clock. I prefer the 24-hour clock. Time is... apparently it is 13. Set. Okay. 20. That's good. Where's that? Done. Month. We have one. March. Hazard of being retired. You don't know what day of the week it is, or at least the month. There we go. Okay, 2025. I do know what year it is. Steps. Oh, okay. All day. Time to read the manual again. Oh, that was the final setting. Now if I imitate that I'm trying to walk. And there we go. I just did 18 steps. There. So now that I know it works, I'm going to just do a quick test. Took it for a short walk, real short. It seems to overcount, if anything. But now it's time to open it up and see what's inside. And the first thing will be to pop out that battery. That worked a lot better now. There we go. Oh, if you're wondering why the other battery worked, was the size. The 2032 is roughly, or should be, 20 millimeters in diameter with a thickness of, well, 3.2 millimeters. So that's why this one here, same diameter, hence it'll fit in there. It is just a tiny bit thinner. So let's get these little screws out of the way. Yeah, that's all of them. Okay. So there it is. I'm just going to zoom down now. So here it is, close up. It appears to have a piezo sensor right here. Wonder if that's actually how they detect the motion. And we'll find out what's on the other side in a moment. Lots of traces. So obviously, probably the blob chip is on the other side. Let's just pull these out of the way. So that's what this side looks like. And now I'm going to take a look at the other side. Okay, I've got all the screws out. And also this nice little gasket. So here's the other side. Let's just take that out of the way. It looks like everything's hidden underneath. Oh, drat. It's all hidden underneath here. I've had zero success with these zebra strips. Once I disassemble, they're toast. Up here, you've got a little, by the looks of it, a clock. And I don't see any numbers on it. And got, wonder if this is actually a sensor in here. Well, got to think about this. If you look down there real close, you'll see a black blob. So obviously I'm not going to get much information out of destroying this thing. So how does this thing work? Not sure actually. This here is just a straight piezo. When I looked at the instructions, apparently it does have an alarm feature. This here is just a straight inductor. I thought it might be like a tilt sensor or one of those where they've got a little coil in there and a spring to bounce about. No. I hooked up the meter to these two, measured the resistance. It came out roughly 200 ohms. No matter how hard I hit this thing, bashed it about, it's pretty well stayed at 200 ohms. And crystal, not clock, crystal. Looking underneath here, there's no mechanical type swinging arm, so it's not a mechanical one. So the only thing I can think of is that it's probably got an accelerometer either built into the blob. Let's see if we can get a better look at the blob. And if it's built into the blob, as I said before, no use tearing this apart because it'll just be a blob and coming out to a few capacitors and resistors. So if anybody else has taken one of these ones here apart and figured it out, tell me in the comments. But I'm going to go with that it's got a built-in accelerometer, or there's one chip underneath there that's an accelerometer. There doesn't seem to be any other way it could be doing it. Well, that's it for this one, and I'm going to put it back together and show that it works after I did all this to it. When putting this back together, there's actually only one way to put that gasket on. If you take a look at this end, notice how thin the piece is right about there. And at the other end, they've got a thicker one. First time I tried to put it on, I had it upside down. It made that much of a difference. It will. Well, I got it all back together, which for me is not normal. And it works. There's a much better of the display. And if I walk a little bit, there we go, steps. So my guess is that it's got a accelerometer or something like that in there, because I couldn't see any other way of them doing it. Just wondering if yeah, you can see where sudden impact, but oh well, if anybody knows, put it in the comments. But it works, so I'm keeping it, and maybe I'll get some exercise.